Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a taste test. We got fun stuff from the Vat19. We did the mystery boxes in the small box, and that I picked for Anastasia. We got, it's called Stang, the world's most sour soda. So most of it's gone, and I saved my part because I've been wanting to do a video, because I was like, I promised to do a video. And we also had the Stang cotton candy. So I'm like, okay, I know what it tastes like, but we're going to do a taste test for the channel. So it says, the world's most sourest video, blue raspberry. And you can see it says Vat19. So they made it specifically for their channel. So here we go. I was like, oh my goodness. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh. It is sour. It is very sour. Woo-hoo. Man, that make you pucker and cry at the same time. Oh my goodness. Gotta give me a moment. Woo-wee. Oh, and that seems like it's gotten stronger since the first time I tasted it. Oh my goodness, I feel it in my ears. You know, you feel it in the back of your throat. It goes down. You feel it in your ears. Oh my goodness. Woo. All right. I gotta get me a sip of coffee or something. Oh, buddy, I tell you, that was some sour stuff. Whew. So, Vat19 did a really great job on that soda, because, yeah, it's sour enough. Oh, my goodness. So now we're going to try the cotton candy. I'm still reeling from the soda. Okay. Because the tub is upstairs. They were eating it yesterday. So here is the cotton candy. It is the same flavor as the soda. So this is the Stang sour candy, cotton candy. I'm not putting it all in my mouth at one time. Yeah, oh my gosh, there it goes, it got me. Oh yeah, all the way back up here. My tongue isn't blue like everybody else's was. They were just eating it. I was like, oh my goodness. Yeah, they nailed it on those, definitely. So, if you don't know what Vat19 is, I'll put a link down below so y'all can go watch their channel. They're in St. Louis, Missouri, and they do some funny skits and everything. And they got some cool stuff and everything. Anastasia got the popper thing, and put it on and you hit it, somebody hits it, and confetti pops everywhere. They've got little axolotl toys. They got putty, stress balls, all kinds of good stuff, and stuff that you can eat too and drink. So, so thank you, Vat19. We enjoyed those boxes and everything, and I will try to put a video, some clips at the end of the video so y'all can see some of the other stuff that she got for Christmas and some of the stuff from Vat19. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.